We are celebrating Ontario apples this morning. Oh, apples are delicious. Great to have a registered dietitian and owner of Harvest Table Nutrition, Bailey Franklyn, on the show for the very first time.
Yes.
Welcome to Morning Live, Bailey.
Thank you for having me.
Do you love apples?
I do. It's one of my favorite seasons.
Okay. Do you have a favorite apple?
I do. Ambrosia is my favorite.
Ambrosia?
Yes.
Why do you like ambrosia?
I think it's maybe a little bit different than some of the more popular apples, and I just find it crisp and refreshing.
Okay, so if I say Honey Crisp, just like everybody says that.
It might be my second favorite.
Okay,
So,
you're putting me to the test because we have some recipes here that you've put together that we can be doing with apples.
Yes.
In our household, apples are very, very popular because I have 3 children that don't eat all that much and are a little picky, but they love apples.
Yeah.
So it's a great time of the year right now.
Exactly.
When is apple season actually?
So technically apple season starts, I'd say, end of September and into October, but you can get local Ontario apples all year now based on different varieties and how they're stored.
And there's so many varieties.
So many varieties. I think there's over 20, but we are showcasing 3 of the most popular today.
And you're putting me to the test.
Yes.
Okay. I think I know what this one is.
Okay, so the 3 that you have to choose from
I get a choice. Okay.
are Honey Crisp, Ambrosia, and Gala.
Oh, I thought this was, I thought that was something, I don't know if it is.
Okay.
That's Royal Gala.
Close.
Oh! Is that Royal Gala?
Yes, this is Gala.
I tasted that and I'm just like, oh, that's Honey Crisp.
Yeah.
I looked, I was like, oh, close. No.
Of the 3, you're close.
This proves I do not know my apple.
Okay.
God, is this Ambrosia?
No. So this is Honey Crisp. Honey Crisp tend to be very large.
I shouldn't, okay, yeah.
This is Gala and
Right.
this is Ambrosia. But they are all very similar. They're juicy, they're crisp, and they are so versatile.
I think I did like the Ambrosia.
Yeah,
I might be Team Ambrosia.
Yay! So you can use them for anything. You can
Right.
eat them raw, like you just did, or you can turn them into recipes.
Because there's also this thing that you can't cook with all apples.
True, but I think with new varieties, you probably can. Yes.
What did you make for me here?
So this is freshly pressed apple juice.
Oh,
so
wow.
I just put it through a juicer, and I kept the skins on, which is why it's pink
A little
versus
darker? Okay.
And that's just a mix of kind of all 3.
Okay, can I have
juices.
a little? Oh, okay, there. Let's get a shot of it. There
Yeah.
we go. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little sip.
So it's only apple juice. There's nothing else in there.
Nothing else.
Nothing
And
else.
that's delicious.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, what's the 3 recipes you have for us?
So I
here?
have apple sauce with a little bit of cinnamon on top.
Yes. Okay, and do you know the apples that you use for this?
That again probably would have been a combo.
Right.
You can use whatever apples you have
Yummy.
on hand.
Because sometimes it's just like the ones that are going bad or on the way out.
Exactly.
You can use for the applesauce.
I find ones that are perfectly ripe are ones you want to eat right away, fresh, and then the ones that have maybe been around a little bit longer, you can use them in recipes.
What's this delicious treat
This
here?
is an apple carrot soup with shredded apple on top.
Okay.
But
It's,
apples, they're so nutritious, they are so versatile, and they're so economical that really anyone can use them and buy them and turn them into
Fabulous.
a nutritious recipe.
And on the end here?
This is oatmeal with like an apple compote. So just diced apples cooked down with brown sugar and cinnamon, and then some hemp hearts and gran flax on there.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's a good healthy snack to start the day with.
Yeah.
Right? Wonderful. So where can we find these recipes, Bailey?
So you can find them at onapples.com or producemadesimple.ca.
And it's so, because we're really into apple season right now, but it does extend throughout the year. And there's always different types of varieties that are coming in too.
There are. So like Red Prince is one that usually comes out in February. Well, it's picked now and it usually is released in February.
Red Prince?
Yeah. But the best way to know if you're purchasing local Ontario apples is to look for the Foodland Ontario logo on the sticker or signage.
Amazing. Registered dietitian.
Yeah.
Fabulous first appearance,
you.
Bailey Franklyn's. Happy apple picking and eating and figuring out which one's which.